You may be wondering just how the DYLN bottle alkalizes your water within 15 to 20 minutes. Well, the key is the technology that's inside the DYLN bottle called the VitaBead Diffuser. The replaceable diffuser sits securely at the bottom of every DYLN bottle. And when the diffuser comes into contact with water, the VitaBeads inside do the three main things. They increase the pH of water to over 9 to alkalize your water, decreases the ORP down to -150, making your water antioxidant, and microclusters the water, which allows for greater permeability into your cells for optimal hydration. The minerals in the diffuser are called VitaBeads, and they're all natural. They're a proprietary blend of magnesium, tourmaline, zinc, and silica. They're heated to temperatures exceeding 700 degrees Celsius to form their spherical shape. The VitaBeads are housed inside a 316 surgical grade stainless steel diffuser that is completely non-leaching and non-magnetic and free of BPA. In the original DYLN bottle, you'll get 400 refills of alkaline antioxidant water. In our new, larger insulated bottle, you'll get about 315 refills, which is equivalent to 300 liters of alkaline water. We made it super easy to know just when you need to replace your diffuser. By registering your DYLN bottle, you can track your usage and receive reminders when it's time for you to replace your diffuser. And when it is time to remove your diffuser, it could not be easier. Our diffuser removal tool is included with every DYLN bottle purchase, which easily removes and inserts the diffuser into your bottle. You assemble the tool, insert the tool into the bottle and place it over the diffuser. Slightly turn clockwise and pull up. To reinsert, put the diffuser back into the tool, insert the tool into the bottle, turn clockwise, and pull up. It is as simple as that. That is about everything you need to know about our VitaBead Diffuser.